This is Ayush Singh Rajput. I stand in front of you all to give a speech on the great occasion of 15 August. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Britishers have ruled almost 100 years exploiting its citizens. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to free India from slavery. Our nation, like many others, suffered from great injustice and tyranny under foreign rule. What distinguishes India, however, is that the character of our nationalist movement led by Mahatma Gandhi was based on the principle of truth and non-violence. He and all other national heroes provided us with an invaluable blueprint to not only liberate our nation from colonial rule but also to rebuild it. Gandhiji's struggle was for to returning to Indian ethos and for human dignity. Gandhiji taught us that slow and steady steps in right direction are preferable to rapid strides in wrong direction. The world looks up at the miracle of India, home to the plurality of traditions and yet the most and biggest vibrant democracy. Mangal Pandey is well Indian freedom activist, is often regarded as the predecessor of 1857 movement against the British, considered the first battle for independence. The independence of India, the Independence Day is noteworthy because it honors the bravery and spirit of the freedom warriors who battled for nation independence from British domination. Every year our Prime Minister hosts the national flag and addresses the nation from Red Fort. Writing or commencing the Independence Day speech is important to show the utmost gratitude as an Indian citizen toward these freedom fighters who sacrificed themselves. Independence Day of India is not marked only the freedom of India from British but also the partition of India-Pakistan which has taken place at the midnight of 14 August 1947. Composing an Independence Day speech for kids is essential to aware them of the Indian independence movement at a younger age. After the Constitution went into action on January 26, 1950, India became sovereign, democratic and republic. Every citizen was given their rights and responsibilities. For example, the right to vote is given to every Indian citizen after independence, while it took 150 years for America to give the same to its citizens. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Mangal Pandey, Rani Lakshmibai, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many others who were none unknown, devoted their entire lives for the independence of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in independence country and our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our great pleasure to protect our country. Friends, we all know that no nation is perfect, it needs to be made perfect. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duties and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Surely the day is not far when our country become strong and powerful in all fields. That's all, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.